Hey, do a pull, do a pull. No turn, do a turn, do a hard turn right now. Go. And do a hard turn, do a hard turn.
We bumping in here.
Tell them what we're about to do. Tell them what we're about to do.
Alright, we're about to cut the, well, not cut, but we're about to unbolt the muffler off. Right.
Oh, that's clean. Dang, bad second gen. That's the next one I seen that night.
Why is it so bad?
That's some real.
Buddy, Colin.
Dude, I ain't trying to tell you what to do. I'm trying to play cool. I got 2 mean generators ready to steal.
Alright, tell me we're gonna do egg.
You're about to get copyright.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh shit, there's a cow.
That ain't great shit. That ain't great shit. Oh shit. Oh shoot, I don't have my thing. Hold on. Yeah. Look at
Oh.
that for real. Are you an idiot?
He was like, yeah.
That's a VA for you. Let's get it first. Oh.
God damn. Oh shit, the fucking long box on fire. Give him a look at the ZHP.
Woo, look at that, ZH. Get behind it. Get outside and get behind it so I can do a,
Feeling, right?
No.
Oh, exhaust. You don't know?
Yeah.
This is before. Exhaust mode full. It's like you're stanking back here.
Here.
Whatever you want with it. God dang, that sucks. Mama cooking
Alright, let's take a look at the ZHP.
Has a bunch of water in it. Man, you're showing the bad side. She's a project. Man, I love that thing. So good with it. That's hell damage? Yeah.
Dang, she's sexy. Do a little walk around.
Man, unbolt that crap. Johnny, come on.
Yeah, come on, John. Johnny's the best one at it. Alright, keep that thing rolling. We're about to unbolt this exhaust and get this thing sounding real good.
It is.
Huh? We're about to get this thing sounding real good. Yes, sir. Get that speed. Hold on, get that. You already know. Get this. No, we're talking.
Oh, impact something. Yeah.
We got to get right with him. John.
Don't think that'd be loud.
I know it's not going to be that loud, but.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Yeah.
And again, it is on both sides.
See what sizes they are, John.
Looks like a 13.
Might be a 14. Try it.
I think it's 13.
Here, try the size
It's a
on first.
13 for sure. Try it with your fingers first.
Try to see.
What's
Be
that?
careful,
It's a
don't touch
13.
it.
No, other side of the. Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Other side of
Other
the.
side of that, yeah. No.
Other side of the flange.
Other side of that, yeah.
Yeah, right there.
Be careful, don't touch
No,
the exhaust.
13 or 12.
Alright.
Smaller.
Alright, here. Here's the 13 right here. I'll be back.
You got them all flipped around. Too big? Yep. Try to turn
No, try it again.
Try it again. It's gonna be maybe at the 10.
Are you sure it's not working? Or are you sure you just not? Maybe it's a little bigger.
No.
I think so, because I don't think he knows how to put a socket on here.
Ooh, look at it. I think it's tiny. I think it's a 10.
Really?
Yeah. 10 or 12.
Alright, bring it here.
The 10, screw it.
Look at it. That one.
Got on here. Oh, 12 right here.
Yeah, this shit definitely feel it.
10?
It's not the size. It
Oh,
needs
it's
to
too
be
small?
skinnier. It needs to be skinnier.
It's not fitting on the bolt.
It's too fat.
What about right there?
Nope.
Too big or small?
Oh my god. We're not
Johnny,
getting anything done.
We're not getting any progress here.
We're stuck now.
Hey, she's gonna turn into a bagger after this.
Oh, she gonna be bad.
For real.
Don't you worry about that.
A little bigger?
It's gonna be a little loud.
Pass me it.
Might wake up the neighbors in the morning, huh?
We gotta pull up the Alex's in the
Come
circle.
on, Johnny, what's happening under there?
A little bit smaller?
You hear me?
A little bit smaller.
We gotta pull up the Alex's in like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
When we take the exhaust off, because the circuit's over there. It's got to
Oh, really?
We'll get the reaction.
What's happening, Johnny?
To the YouTube vid.
Take a smaller bit right quick.
What's taking so long?
It's now.
Yeah. You should know that.
Right in my fucking face. Close that shit on my car.
Well, you need something smaller?
Yeah.
Bro, there's no way it's smaller than a 10.
Because if we would have done that half-inch, it would have.
Oh, he means the socket needs to be skinnier. You need to get regular sockets, not
No,
impact.
in a size.
Try this. See where it's at.
Boss, someone else get under there.
Too big? Alright, we need an 11.
Because
probably.
if we do the half-inch, it's gonna.
I'm not even change clothes. I'll hop under there.
Alright, come on, boys. Alright, let's go. You got that fresh fit.
Alright, try these. Try this. Give me good.
Mama love that good.
I'm a little kid.
Try this, Kelly. Try that, cut.
I got kid.
Better get it, kid.
Nope.
Does it fit?
Nope.
Too big?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
You should just
Wait,
cut
no.
it. You just cut it off.
Too big? Or too small?
Fits? Chill, y'all can get demonetization. What? Let me hop under there.
Yeah.
That's too small. Here, try that.
No room here.
Oh yeah, this one, boy. Is this one, baby?
That's the money, huh?
Heck no, that ain't. Oh yeah, it is. That's it right there.
It's on the money.
That's the one, all right.
Alright, crank that baby off. Dang. You get this all on camera.
Shine.
Make sure that thing rolling, Eve.
Thing is rolling.
Dang, this fat impact in here.
5 minutes deep.
Hey!
Make sure it doesn't strip either. For real, what?
Antenna come out.
Easy money.
Easy though.
I can't get. We're gonna have to jack it
Try
up.
it again, try it again.
Nah,
Try it. Get it better, get it better.
I can't. There's no like
Dude, just
the sock impact's too fat.
try it.
Sucker too deep.
Try it.
Shut
Thick
up.
with it.
No,
Oh yeah. It sounded like it was going.
no, it wasn't. I was
I
watching.
was going.
Alright.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, the freak it was.
Promise it wasn't. Go ahead and get the jack, somebody.
Eve, who went to
I got it. Let's go get the jack.
Be like a NASCAR pit stop.
There's two should just be enough. Get it.
That's good. Eat it. That's good, girl.
Oh yeah, it's much more room.
There we go. Go up like a little more, just so I can get this thing all the way in there. Jesus. Kill me down there.
Get it. Turn that thing.
Bro, it's hitting
God.
the exhaust, you understand? Get a breaker bar. Crack it loose and then it'll come off. I don't want to strip it and never get it off.
Georgie!
What about hangers?
George! George is such a good dude.
Yeah.
George is such a good boy.
Oh yeah, Joy!
George! George! George is such a good boy. George is such a good boy. Alright, let's get back to it. Bruh.
Pull it up higher.
Hey!
That's it.
You get a different angle. Get a different angle in this.
Oh yeah.
Don't let
Get
that
those
thing drop
bolts
now.
too.
They're nuts.
Get the nuts. That's two. That's no drill.
Quit touching that hot cup. Might have to get a rag or something.
It ain't hot.
I'll put him in the trunk.
It ain't hot. I'll touch it.
Alright, grab it. Pull it off. It shakes to go up and then off. Off right here.
George. She's about off?
Oh yeah. Look at all the lights on. I don't know why the lights stay on like that. Look, see?
Yeah, that's no good. It's one off.
Sound clip. Yes, sir. Get up out of there. Johnny, take it back there.
Oh, get it, Johnny. Oh yeah.
Do it, God's gone, baby. I hope it's way louder.
Yeah. What do you think?
I don't think it's really not louder. Maybe though. Had two mufflers. So. There's still like a bunch of different mufflers.
You excited?
See what this thing's
Oh, there's 4 mufflers. There's 2 more in there. Let's see if they both have from there.
Are you excited?
See what this
You excited, Johnny?
What's wrong with her I skin? thought you secretly here.
Yeah, go behind. Go to the back.
Go to the back of the exhaust clip. Cold start.
Hot start.
Sounds like a Tahoe, baby. We need to We need louder, dude.
Yeah, we need louder.
We gotta take 2 more off. Those you gotta cut.
Yeah, those are all the way.
Those would be so easy to cut with a Sawzall. He has to have one, Alex. He has to have a Sawzall.
Ah, if he lets us use it,
I'll
though.
hop right under
Oh
there.
God, what are y'all doing, bro?
Yeah, the trunk was locked, so I didn't put it in there.
Sound a little feistier now.
Sounds better now.
Yeah.
That's enough? That ain't nothing. I want to hear this thing. When it peels off. Just throw them in there. You're fine. It's all for you to clean, Johnny.
Yeah,
Save
for
it for you.
real.
Save it for you to fix up.
Let's go.
Come see it.
We finna pass by the crib again. Better now, yeah. We finna pass by blood. Way better.
Sugar's there? Yeah.
He texted me. He said, come over here. George, you wanna come too? He could put that other dog.
This thing
Sounds like a
definitely
Crown
sound.
Vic. Police intercept. Appeal? Se quer my cup.
Yeah, we need 2 more out. That'll be good.
It could be like mine, real loud.
Yeah, we
me to turn the idle all the way down?
How's that dude
Still there?
Yeah, for real.
Sorry, man. Oh, he came on the bike. Over here chatting. Dang, the 834 is good or what? Freaking old man on a mask car.
Gotta give it a couple good
I like the
revs.
wheels on that thing. Oh, the busted gas tank. He's like these freaking. This actually sounds kind of good.
Yeah, you gotta rev it up a couple times.
About to shoot.
You like what you see? Wait till you hear it. Hey, did you have a sawzall?
Huh?
You have a sawzall?
I think it might.
Bro, we need it. We want to cut 2 more off. We unbolted 2, but the other ones you gotta cut.
What?
Mufflers.
Oh.
That'll make it louder. This thing's fun as God. Dude, it's actually surprisingly fast. I'm surprised. It's still here. About to hang it.
It's like.
Like, go ahead. Whatever you do, keep that motherfucker rolling.
Oops.
Well, dude, if you got just like your whole thing going on, I can be able to
You get a brand new ZX10. So you gotta keep it.
Keep that thing rolling, E. Yes, sir. Really?
Yeah, for real. I want them brand new.
Like that thing what?
Yes, sir. Johnny, take a seat.
Yeah, we're doing gotta get rich. If you still have that E30, that'd be some good content.
Yeah, for real.
got another idea going.
Oh shit.
Yeah, let me know. Whatever the wife approves. But like I said, if you need to chat with her and tell her, plan.
I'm very.
There goes the TT.
TT, double T.
And 3.
I need it to be like put back.
You had a memory yet?
No.
So next weekend it's gonna rain. Saturday and Sunday.
So good. I was like, yeast that. Salsa for what? I'm ready to say that. You're like,
What's up, carbonated?
why are you videotaping me?
Yeah, we're vloggers.
They were playing with David last time without me.
How about you tell the people you got a little dick? How about that?
Whoa.
Big ass.
Chill.
All right. Cut that shit off.
What he likes to think, he makes up for him.
Look, we have to make some content.
What content, bro?
He don't speak Russian.
That's the whole point. Everybody else does though.
We got a salsa or what? We're trying to cut that thing off. Exhaust.
No, I don't have a salsa.
Ah.
He's got a huge grinder. For real.
With a big cutoff though?
Yeah, it's huge.
That will work.
Too fat though.
Hold on, raise it up. Raise it up.
Shit, fuck
Put
it.
the whole exhaust on.
I gotta put this thing back.
Have fun with that. God dang.
Nah, I just control arms and everything.
Yeah, just
He's buying the roller?
And everything.
Buying the roller?
Yeah, and everything is what gets me.
Alright.
So you gotta get wood or what?
Ooh. Smoking. why the peel. What'd you think?
The tranny finna fall out.
What'd you think?
Tranny finna fall out, man.
I approve.
I don't approve.
Shoot, let's go take a look at the marks.
The what?
Let's go take a look at the marks.
See. See what they look like.
Holy crap, look in here.
What, smoked out?
Look in here.
Run up there, you.
You can get it open.
That show be cooking.
That shit ready for a beef jerky with a steak on. We just at the drive-thru. I can't have the tire right there. For real. Dang. Put some asphalt off the road. God dang. Woo-hoo-hoo. That shit was kicking rocks. Bro. Holy crap. That's half the tire. Hey, Victor. Has a tire right here.
Look how long this thing is.
Tire.
Not that long, but
They
whatever.
literally took out the asphalt. That shit fly.
Holy crap.
Not even gonna care.
Bro, you need it. Look at that.
Look at this freaking pile of rubber. They took out some asphalt too.
Let's have to wait for the
Hey, Victor.
And we out.
Victor.